All right, number 3, this time we want to do subtraction of h minus g. And then we have h of x is x plus 3. And g of x is the square root of x minus 4. And we want to do h minus g of 1. So I'm going to be taking both of these equations and plugging in 1 for x. So here I will do 1 for x plus 3. And then we are subtracting. So minus, and whenever you do subtraction, put the whole thing in parentheses so you don't miss any steps. And then we do the square root of parentheses 1 minus 4. So when we do this, 1 plus 3, that will give us 4 minus, and then we can just evaluate here, the square root of negative 3. So this will be our answer here. Now the problem is we are not supposed to have a negative under the square root. So later on we'll learn how to evaluate this, but this will give you an imaginary number, 4 minus, we'll take the negative out and say I for imaginary square root of 3. That's how we will handle that. So this is not a real number, it's imaginary. We've just done this so that we can solve problems. And so we'll say the function value does not exist because it's not real. It's not a real number. And then number 4, we want to do g divided by h of 8. So we're going to divide this time. So h of x is x plus 5. G of x is the square root of x minus 8. And we want to find g divided by h of 8. You must be mindful whatever makes h 0 would not be a solution. It won't work. But we're just plugging in 8 this time. So we're going to do g on the top, which is going to be the square root. We're going to plug in 8 for x, and then this minus 8. And then on the bottom, we're going to have 8 for that x plus 5. So this is the g divided by h of 8. On the top, 8 minus 8, that will give you square root of 0. On the bottom, that gives us 13. And this will be 0 over 13, and 0 divided by any number is still just 0.